warning, come, request to all yoga teachers. In the class, opposite gender, never touch. If you are a male teacher, don't touch female students. This is a rule. If you are a female teacher, don't touch male. So this, when I was telling my initial years, like in 2015 and 16, one girl, she is 38 years old, she pointed out in the class saying that, sir, you are talking rubbish. I said, why? Without touching, how can we correct it? Without touching also you can correct it. For example, suppose somebody thigh is not parallel. Take the pen and keep it on the thigh, little down. You can do this. There is no need. Go and touch them and see. See, female teachers I have not seen doing wrong things, but I have seen male teachers doing wrong things. Remember, female is a very powerful person. Why you are touching, they have a power to recognize. The moment you touch somewhere, they will know why are you touching. When they know that you are touching the wrong intention, if they slap you in the class, what happens? Such a shame for you. So kind request. So let me finish that girl thing, that lady. So she moved from India to USA. She was not accepting me. But one day in USA, she was taking class in Facebook company. So what she has done, there are 50 students are attending, one corner, and this lady has got grown-up children, 2 daughters. So she went to the corner and touched one boy. And next day onwards, that boy started looking. This girl is a very beautiful girl, married woman, but she looks like college girl. So that boy doesn't know about her background. So he started looking at, with a negative mind. He was looking like this. This girl called me, sir, I don't know what happened. One boy is looking at me. I said, maybe tomorrow he may propose. Sir, why like that? So I said, did you go and touch him? Yes, sir. Yesterday everybody was doing correctly, but this boy was doing wrong. So I went all the way to him, I corrected. So now his mindset will be different. He will think, this lady has come to me and touched me. Remember, don't enter into risky zone. Yeah? Don't touch anybody, not necessary. Online yoga teacher training, whom are we touching? We are creating trainers. Remember that online, if you have same thing you have to maintain in the classroom. Remember, this is a danger zone.